Welcome back. In this video, we're making bananas Foster. Over medium heat, half a cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of dark brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Bring that up to a gentle simmer, then add 2 bananas that have been sliced in half. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes per side, or until the bananas are heated through. Pour in a 1/4 cup of spiced rum, and now we flambe. Ignite the steam, sprinkle with some cinnamon for theatricality. Once the flame has died down, the alcohol has cooked off, and we can plate. For the base, 2 slices of grilled vanilla pound cake. Top off the cake with 1 big scoop of vanilla ice cream. Layer the bananas around and on top of the cake. Drizzle all over with the sauce. And there we have it, Bananas Foster. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.